तु नारदाख्यश्च त्रेते नारायणो मुनिः द्वापरे बालकृष्णश्च सत्यसाई कले प्रभु. Offering my very most humble pranams at the lotus feet of the Divine Lord, I cordially invite all of you to 12th Aradhana Mahotsavam. God is everywhere at all times. God accomplishes everything. We celebrate Sri Satyasai Aradhana Mahotsavam on 24th of April every year, expressing our love and gratitude for the grace, guidance and blessings we receive from Him. On 24th April, the day when He asked us to turn inward, Bhagavan has said on numerous occasions that He will never forsake or disappoint His devotees. If we only hold on to Him with all our heart, mind, soul and strength, He'll guard us, protect us and take us across this ocean of life. సృష్టిలోని ప్రతి కణములో ఉన్న సాయిని సేవించుటే ప్రతి సాధన ఆరాధన యొక్క లక్ష్యము. ఇదే ఆరాధన యొక్క దినోత్సవం రోజు మనందరం కూడా గుర్తించుకోవాల్సిన విషయం. Experiencing the divine from the form to the formless, as Bhagavan says, everything is nothing and nothing is everything. There is no separation, there is only one, and that one is everything, and that one is love. So love all, serve all is the message of Divine Lord. I now invite today's chief guest, Sri Nupur Bhatt Madam, the President of Vishwamila Samiti, the First Lady of Nagaram. And all Samiti bearers, devotees, Bhajana Mandali office bearers for today's Aradhana Mahotsavam. Now let us start our program with Jyoti Prajvalana. I now invite Shri N.S. Rao Garu, Shri Bharati Ramesh Garu, Shri Keshava Rao Garu, Shri Kondaraju Garu, Shri S.M. Vishnumurthy Garu and Shri K.V.L.N. Reddy Garu from Gents for Jyoti Prajvalana. Srimati Nupur Bhatt Madam, Srimati Dr. Shivani Madam, Srimati Dr. Indira Ma'am, Srimati Sharada Garu, Srimati Padma Garu and Srimati Bhavani Garu.